We hear the word marketing thrown around everywhere. Social media, podcasts, business blogs, digital marketing, email marketing, content marketing, the list goes on. But what actually is marketing? And why does it seem like everyone suddenly needs to understand it? Marketing is the bridge between a problem someone has and the solution you're offering. That's it. It's not some mystical business jargon or complicated corporate strategy. At its core, marketing is about communicating value to the people who need what you have. Think about it this way. You could create the most incredible product in the world, something that genuinely changes lives. But if nobody knows it exists, does it matter? Marketing is what closes that gap. It's how you tell the right people at the right time that you have exactly what they've been looking for. Now, marketing hasn't always looked the way it does today. For decades, businesses relied on what we call traditional marketing: billboards on highways, commercials during primetime television, radio spots during the morning commute. These methods cast a wide net, hoping to catch a few interested people among millions of viewers or listeners. The goal wasn't always immediate sales. It was brand awareness, getting your name out there so that when someone eventually needed your product, they'd remember you. Traditional marketing still has its place. There's something powerful about a well-placed billboard or a memorable TV commercial. But here's the problem. It's expensive and it's inefficient. You're paying to show your message to thousands, maybe millions of people who have absolutely no interest in what you're selling. And even worse, you have almost no way to measure if it's actually working. Did that billboard lead to sales? Did anyone even remember your radio ad? It's nearly impossible to know for certain. Enter the internet. Over the last 2 decades, everything changed. Social media platforms emerged, search engines became smarter, data became trackable, and with all of this came modern marketing, specifically what we now call digital marketing. Digital marketing flipped the script entirely. Instead of shouting your message into the void and hoping someone hears it, you can now identify exactly who needs your product and speak directly to them. You can track every click, every view, every purchase. You know what's working and what's not, down to the dollar. Let's break down a few types of digital marketing. There's search engine optimization, where you make sure your website shows up when people search for solutions you provide. There's social media marketing, where you build relationships and trust with potential customers on platforms they're already using every day. There's email marketing, which allows you to nurture leads and stay top of mind with people who've already shown interest. And there's paid advertising, where you can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to put your message in front of exactly the right audience. The beauty of digital marketing is precision. Imagine being able to show your ad only to women aged 25 to 35 who live in specific cities, are interested in fitness, and have recently searched for healthy meal plans. That's the power we're talking about. No wasted budget, no guessing games. But here's what makes marketing truly valuable in today's world. It's not just for big corporations anymore. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone trying to build a personal brand, understanding marketing is essential. It's the skill that allows you to get your work in front of people who need it. It's what turns your expertise into income. Marketing isn't about being pushy or salesy. It's not about tricking people into buying things they don't need. Good marketing is about empathy. It's about understanding someone's struggle and showing them how you can help. It's about building trust, providing value, and creating genuine connections. So if you've ever wondered why marketing feels like it's everywhere, this is why. In a world where anyone can start a business, create content, or offer services online, the people who understand how to communicate their value effectively are the ones who win. Marketing is no longer optional. It's the skill that separates those who succeed from those who remain invisible. The best part, you don't need a business degree or years of experience to start learning. The internet has democratized marketing education. There are countless resources, courses, and communities ready to help you understand this essential skill. Whether you're looking to grow a business, land a job in a high-demand field, or simply understand how the modern economy works, marketing is your answer. It's the skill that pays dividends in every area of professional life. And the sooner you start learning it, the sooner you'll see why it's become one of the most valuable abilities you can develop.